Presenting a pre-owned 2008 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland. This four-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Jeep has less than 257,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, moonroof, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, tow hooks, trailer hitch, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.